All right, we have the Black & Decker 20-volt 10-inch chainsaw, and look at what we've cut down today. It's been working great. There's no noise. Been doing really good today, and we've got a lot more to go. I do have a gas powered chainsaw up there, but this has been working good. Been working really good. So we'll cut down some trees. I'm gonna cut down one right now, and I'm gonna have my son videotape me cut it down right now. Swap me another better. I think this one's finally dead. Another one bites the dust. All right, one more down. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.